Hey everybody, hi, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by and hanging out with me a bit today. Super happy you're here because I have some new and Loft pieces I can't wait to share. If you're new, I'm Laura. I have furry sidekicks hanging out with me today. If you see a kitty, that's Harvey, Wyatt is the white puppy dog, and Zena is the tan. I'm Laura, and we sure hope you stick around for the long haul. Hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Alright, so we're going to jump right in because Loft is always having some amazing sales and I am always checking them out. I'm outside with you today because my home is in a bit of disruption with my dad staying with me, with my closet being remodeled. There is so much going on that I have no space with which to be able to film, so I'm hoping that outside works out for us. I'm going to start with this adorable romper. I think this brings all of the Farm Rio vibes in this fun, vibrant print. Pockets in the front, belt. It's a really, really nice length, as you can see here. A little cuff at the bottom. It has a thicker strap. I do a strapless bra on, but you might be able to get away with with wearing your regular bra based on the placement of these straps for you. Comes with this really cute belt, which I just did a little knot here right into place so it wasn't flapping. I love a great one and done. I feel like this would be perfect for vacation, for weekend, for brunch with friends. Super cute outfit. And I always recommend, if you like these pieces, grab them as soon as you can. You always have time to return if they don't work out, but they sell out so fast. So this one is called the Palm Belted Strappy Romper. I am wearing a size 2, which is my normal size, and I got it for $39.43 on sale. Amazing. And if this print looks familiar to you, that is correct. In my last haul, I shared the dress version, which is gorgeous. If you haven't seen that, check it out. Next, how about this amazing outfit? So let's start with this top. I love this little sweetheart, almost at the edge of your shoulder here. Sweater top, so pretty. It's lightweight. It will go with so much. Has a little bit of a sleeve, and just loving that little notching. And then I paired it back to this faux wrap skirt, so this is fully attached. You don't have to worry. I left it the way they had it tied, so it hangs just a little bit down in the front. There's Harvey. Paired it back to a cute little heel, just like the last one, just to elevate the look a little bit. This does have a zipper in the back. The romper did as well. It zipped the whole way down the back. This one has a little zipper as well, so easy in and out. And it is fully lined. Fully lined. All right, so this one, love creating this look. This is called the Sweetheart Sweater Tee. I'm wearing an extra small and $22.65 on sale. Grab it while they're on sale. Then I have the Palm Mini Wrap Skirt. I'm wearing a size 2, which is my normal size, $28.84 on sale. Let me know what you think of this one. Another great way to pair this top. How about with a great black skirt? This one is awesome. It has the ruching here in the front. It is ribbed. It is stretchy. It is forgiving. So you can move this up, move it down, make it longer, make it shorter. All the things. It has the slit right where you walk, so it makes it easy for movement. And it is a midi length. You could pair this with a graphic tee and tennis shoes, or with this cute little top like this and heels, and really create all different looks with this skirt. So this one is called the Ribbed Ruched Midi Skirt in black. I'm wearing an extra small, which is my normal size, and it was $28.83 on sale. Next up, how about this ruched muscle tee midi dress? I love this. It has a little bit of a tan and white stripe going through it, that gathering right here. It zips up the back. I'm wearing my normal size. It is super comfy, easy to wear, relaxed. You could dress this up or keep it casual. I put on a pair of flats. I think this one is so cute. Again, so many ways to wear it. Wear it into the fall with a jean jacket and booties. Wear it now with sandals or flip-flops. Such an easy one. So you guys can see that fun little ruching. Covers the shoulders, which adds a little bit of an elevated look. So that means you could wear it into the office as well, I feel. A slit on the one side, but not too high. Super cute. And light. It's a very lightweight, so perfect for those hot days. I'm wearing a size 2, which is my normal size, and $44.77 is what I got it for on sale. Now we're taking it up a notch, and how about this Va Boom dress? This would be great for a date night, great for an event. It is completely lined. Let me show you that real quick before I forget. It is fully lined. It has all this fun ruching going up here on the side. It has a side zipper, more ruching on this side. Covers up, you know, anything you may want to cover up with the ruching. That's generally why it's there. This fun asymmetrical neck, so it has like the little twist strap, and then a regular sleeve on the other side, or I should say shoulder. So cute. Again, put on a pair of heels and you are ready to steal the night. What do you think of this one? I'm loving all of the little like gathers. All right, so this one is called the Asymmetrical Neck Ruched Mini Dress. I'm wearing a size 2, which is my normal size. I feel like this one is still a decent length, so hitting at the bottom of my fingertips here. $41.18 is the sale price for this one. We're going to finish with this cute little crochet set. I love a top and bottom that you can mix and match and also looks like a dress. This one does. Obviously, if you want to get really particular, you can just line up your stripes there, but this is so super cute. I really like it. It does have a little bit of different in the top than the bottom. As you can see, these stripes do line up. It has a little bit of an open weave in the black, whereas this one is solid, but such a cute set. It is in this fun crochet. You could dress this up also, wear it to work, put on a blazer, or a jean jacket would go. So great in the neutrals of the black and the tan. You could add a belt too if you wanted for some waist definition. I will say it is crocheted, so like a ring like this wants to catch on it, so just be careful if you decide you want to go with something like this. I like the black trim and the simple style, but it is a little bit elevated. It does have the one, it has no slits. I put a slit, yeah, slit in the back, there it is. I knew it was somewhere. So this is the crochet midi skirt. I'm wearing a 2, which is my regular size. It does zip up the back and have a little hook. $32.85 was my sale price. And then the crochet shell, I'm wearing an extra small, my normal size, $21.89. So basically I got this whole outfit for $55 both pieces. That's a wrap on all my pieces. I had so much fun with this collection. Let me know what you thought. I'll put my link to Loft down below, as well as my link of all of my favorites. I have a special link where I'm capturing all of those, as well as the links to each of these items in case you'd like to check any of them out. I know Loft has a sale going on right now, so always check them out whenever they have a sale. And tell me what your favorite outfit was today. Please share down below. Also, let me know what you think about the outside. Is this working? Can you see everything? I'm hoping that you can. To me, right now, it looks like everything is coming across well, but let me know. I'm trying to catch it when the sun isn't glaring, when the people aren't loud out here, and it's nice and quiet. Hit that like, hit that subscribe so I can keep on doing this. Thanks so much for hanging out with me, and I will catch you next video. Bye, everybody.